Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold firmly to the rope of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all together, and do not become divided. When it comes to interfaith harmony, when it comes to interfaith dialogue, usually we talk about being tolerant of different Islamic and religious views. But Quran calls us to be more than tolerant. And what is this? Quran calls us toward open-hearted connection. Quran calls us to become more loving and caring personality for the people. Quran calls us to know each other, to know one another, without compromising and sacrificing the oneness and singularity of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.